Hello students, welcome to the topic Fillet Weld corner joint on mild steel sheet 3 mm thick in horizontal position by dip to F transfer. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare plate pieces to size as per drawing. Set and tack weld the plate in alignment as corner joint. Set the corner joint in horizontal position for welding. Deposit the bead with appropriate amount of filler matter. Clean and inspect for surface defects on weld and bead appearance.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Steel rule, lighter, wire brush, hand grinder, bastard file, second cut file, tri-square, leather apron, leather hand gloves, leg guard, safety shoes, welding helmet, safety goggles, chipping hammer, welding screen, MIG welding set, CO2 gas cylinder, filler wire feeder, MIG welding torch, wear protective clothings. Cut the sheet by shearing machine as per drawing. Grind and file the edges of sheet to square. Deburr and clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush and filing. Set the plate in the form of corner joint at 90 degree with specified root gap in flat position as per drawing. Connect the torch to the positive terminal of the machine. Set current to 90 to 100 amperes corresponding wire feeding rate 3 to 4 maximum or minimum, 19 to 20 arc voltage and deposit the root run using dip transfer mode. Tack weld, min 10 mm length, on both ends of the corner joint. Keep the tack welded job in horizontal position. Weld the corner joint by using 0.8 mm diameter mild steel filler wire and using stringer bead welding technique. Deposit root run on the joint by forming keyhole and obtain complete penetration and even fusion of plates. Clean the bead by wire brush. After checking there is no defects like overlap, undercut, penetration, distortion, and it is a good bead profile.
The topic involves preparing the plate pieces to size as per drawing. Set and tack weld the plate in alignment as per corner joint. Set the corner joint in horizontal position for welding. Deposit the bead with appropriate amount of filler matter. Clean and inspect for surface defect on weld and bead appearance. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.